vicious.
No matter what you drive, remember, burn rubber,
What it is, 2021 Rust Reality. We in that Chip Foose collection. Nothing but awesome cars, man. Craftsmanship like no other.
Vicious. What's up with it, man?
What's going on, man? It's your boy Whip at it, man. I here at the Sema show. I ain't got my gear on today, but you know what it is, man. Getting that footage out here, man.
Already, man, you know, Trey Skiller, real dealer with Rust to Reality. I sit and watch this guy channel all the time to be in contact with my down south brothers to see how they really contributing to this art that we do. And man, they really get some good cars. He does some really good filming. So when I seen him, I noticed him by his waves. That they crazy, y'all.
I need a cut, but yeah, man. We got some nice cars out here too, that we got from down south, you know, CAD and Playboy, all the cars from our type of culture, man. They made it up here. This is my first time here at Sema, so it's been a real nice experience for me, man. But yeah, we just doing it, man. We're gonna keep doing it.
There it is, Rust to Reality.
Yeah.
Whip at it.
Rest of reality, baby.
Whip at it. Sitting up here, Rust to Reality, with a supercar designer. This man has done numerous of things in the car community, but I fell in love with the chair, or shall we say a flipping bench seat, something like that. Come to find out he designed it. He also designed a supercar. Tell us something about it, bro.
The Nemesis 2,000 horsepower, 0 to 62, less than 2 seconds.
Ooh,
It's going to have a lot of active aero features, a lot of things that you don't see on any supercar. So just look for it.
nice.
You give me your info, I'll give you mine, and I'll let you do an exclusive.
Man, we gonna love that.
All right, we're
Don't pull
located.
that wasn't a Hollywood invitation, was it?
No. We're located right here in Vegas.
I know.
Yeah, so
When I seen it, I was like, wow, this dude is in Vegas.
yes, sir. So we're building the top secret Black Ops edition. So it's going to be a lot of things that will blow your mind when you see it.
That have never been done before.
Never on any supercar. You know what I did for all the other companies is child's play.
So he might need to come over to the shop because you're building a 70 Cutlass and doing stuff that's never been done before.
I am.
So